Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are on day 7 of our Declutter Madness Challenge. So the challenge for today is our games, puzzles, and toys. And I know this is a big category and it may be too much to tackle all at once, so I recommend that you choose if you want to do your games or if you want to do your toys. We don't have many toys in our house, so we're going to be focusing on games and puzzles. So that's what this video is going to be today, so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start by taking everything out of the closet, sorting through what we have, deciding what we want to hang on to, then I'm going to wipe off the shelves, and then we'll start putting things back. Okay, so I know you can see we have a lot of games and puzzles and that kind of thing, and really we didn't get rid of a ton of stuff, we just kind of reworked what we had. So at the top we have all the games we play not as often. On the left side we have our games that we play more often. Then on the right side we have our puzzles and mystery games, and down below we have our 3D puzzles. And we do play games pretty often, so we are going to hang on to most of these. We were able to get rid of a few things, but for the most part we're going to just reevaluate in a few months and see what we're using and see if we can let go of anything at that time. So this is another area in our home where we have some games stored. So I'm going to just pull everything out and then reorganize it. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to put all these decks of cards in this box here. It's got a nice lid. That way we can store it on the shelf and we don't have to worry about things falling out every time we need to get something out of the cabinet. Plus everything will be stored together and we can just find things a little easier. Okay, so we got everything put in here. Looks a lot neater, it is a lot easier to find things, and that way this stuff can just sit on the shelf. We don't have to worry about stuff falling out, and it's just a lot more organized. Alright, so there you have it. Day 7 is done. I'm so glad we went ahead and tackled our games and puzzles in that closet. It had been a long time since we had taken the time to do that. We were able to get rid of a few things, but for the most part we just kind of reorganized stuff. We will be reevaluating what we are actually using in about 6 months, and then we'll be letting go of some of the stuff that we're not using at that time. So if you're still watching this video at this point, if you could leave me a puzzle emoji in the comments down below and let me know what your favorite game is, I would love to read that. And if you're looking forward to day 8 of our challenge, that's going to be our bathroom cabinet. So you don't want to miss that video when it comes out, so be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.